Today's topic is to convert a string which is enclosed list in it to the list. There are three methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using an eval method, and the method two by using an ast.literal underscore eval method, and the method three by using an json.loads method. Let's start from the first method, that is by using an eval method. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to use an eval in which we are going to pass the iterable as a string 1, and we are storing them into the list 1, and we have them as an output. And you can even check like if it got successfully convert by using a type. Let's say print type. We are going to check the string 1 class, and we are checking our list 1. So as you can see, our string 1, it belongs to the string class, and our list, it belongs to the list class. So you can successfully say that we have converted our string which got enclosed to the list to the list.